Okay, so today we're going to be learning about linear graphs. This right here is my line graph. Down here at the bottom is year of century. So we got 1990, 2000, 2010, 2020, 2030, 2040, 50, 60, and 70. And over here are, on this side, is the millions of people. So it's 2 million, 4 million, 6 million, 8 million, 10 million, 12, 14, and 16 million. And right here are the questions. So question 1 would be, estimate what year the population was about 18 million. So when we look at it, let's see. When we look at it, see if I can draw on here. Okay, here we go. So 8 million is here. What year would it be? It would be about 2004. Question B, estimate the population in 2040. So when we're looking at 2040, we can simply just follow the graph and see where it leads. So here to here. That means it would be 10 million. So this one's for question A. This one's for question B. Okay, question C. Did the U.S. population increase more between 2020 and 2040 or 2030 and 2050? So if we're comparing the two, let's see where 2020 would be. 2020 would be at 6 million compared to 2040 also at 10 million. Okay, so the difference would be 4 million. Now, if we compare it to 2030 and 2050, which one did what increased more? It would be 2030 and 2050 because it is higher up in the chart. The higher it is, the higher there's more people. So then the answer would be 2030